In a changing world where time translates into money, it is imperative to innovate to make our work more efficient, and in the field of software development there are many options to achieve the goal quickly. BPM is a pretty good option if you want to reduce time or effort when developing, and within this environment, Appian is number one. A little history. Appian was founded in 1999 by Matthew Calkins and 4 co-founders, and today it is a leader in the low-code development, BPM and case management markets. Appian can be defined as a platform, focused on creating business software applications. Why platform? This is because Appian allows the user to develop, run and manage applications without the complexity of building and maintaining the infrastructure typically associated with the development, deployment and maintenance of a software application. Its low-code automation platform enables companies to build applications with little or no code. What makes it different from other languages? A BPM facilitates software development by offering visual tools for creating screens such as templates, and many predefined recipes for solutions to problems or common scenarios in business applications. In addition to providing wizards for the creation of multiple objects such as process diagrams, data models and forms. The process models provide the user with information traceability over time, as well as the possibility of creating reports based on the data of each of the process instances. Appian offers tools to facilitate deployment through different environments. It has its own versioning system for most objects. It allows you to connect with other systems through web services in a very simple way, as well as being able to expose your system through web APIs. The same application can be viewed on both computers and mobile devices without any extra work. It offers artificial intelligence. It has a centralized data architecture. It is very simple. It can be mounted in the cloud and managed by the same Appian team. Extremely fast to learn and develop, and much more. I recommend you go to the official website appian.com where you can see this information in more detail. What can be programmed with Appian? The BPM are mainly focused on administrative and business applications, but the industries and topics for the applications are endless. There are Appian users in all sectors such as education, government, banking, insurance, transportation, construction, telecommunications, energy, financial services, sales, and many more. Appian provides a visual understanding to business users, which makes the creation of new applications intuitive for entrepreneurs, and can be effectively aligned to the business. And since time is a decisive factor in most companies, technology promotes that you can develop an application in as little as 8 weeks, and you could become a developer in as little as 2 weeks. Appian is a pioneer in the development of low-code business solutions, so that projects can be delivered in a fraction of what it takes with other technologies, that is, up to 20 times faster. The configuration can be in 2 ways. The first is in the cloud, where Appian administrators give you access to an instance for your company, and it can be accessed from anywhere in the world. The second option is to have a local version on your company's server, although this configuration must be done by an Appian professional. Appian offers a continuous learning platform through videos and a system of official certifications, in addition to offering specialized courses in person and online. Additionally, it is very well documented, and there is a forum for the Appian community where doubts or problems related to the platform are resolved. As if that were not enough, and if the capabilities that the platform offers are not enough to meet the needs of your business, it is possible to extend the functionalities through plugins. These can be developed by the same Appian developers, and you have the option to publish them in the Appian app market, where you can find both free and paid, and with a wide variety of options that will undoubtedly be beneficial for your project. Summing up, Appian is a leading BPM platform in the market. Multiple organizations around the world are turning to Appian because of its speed and ease of learning and development. Appian offers you tools that facilitate all the activities related to the development, deployment and maintenance of the application. It's simple, super fast, cross-platform, well-documented, well-supported, future-proof, and will help you as a business have an easier way to build software, because successful businesses need results today, and even more results tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe for more content. This was Native Bean, see you later.